Hello everyone. Hello Papua New Guinea. Yeah, this is me, myself and I, Bradley Rario. If you have been following my pages like Rario Visuals and Rario Business Consultancy, this is one of my other business as well, Rario Electronic. I will be selling media equipment. I will be selling some accessories, anything to do with media, anything to do with equipment, technology. But all this aside, I want to introduce you guys to our new products, the Vivo V30. Check us out. We can also ship to other provinces as well. For corporate companies, if you want to check out this Vivo phone, email in the description box below or probably above. If you're watching on my YouTube, it's below. If you're watching it on my Facebook, above. Enjoy the unboxing of the V30.